The Klean-Bloc Top Coat Repair Kit is a two-part aerosol spray paint that is specially formulated to provide a durable, color-matching repair that is easy to apply. Made specifically to touch up chipped or scratched surfaces of Techo-Bloc products made with Klean-Bloc technology, the sprayed top coat serves to mask the exposed concrete substrate and provide the same stain resistance properties as the factory seal. Here are the steps to follow to repair your chipped or scratched Klean-Bloc products. The first step is to ensure that the surface to be repaired is clean and completely dry. Dust, dirt, debris, grease, and moisture will negatively affect the top coat's adherence to the concrete. Next, using painter's tape, mask off the affected area. Keep in mind the top coat is applied using an aerosol spray, so you'll want to mask appropriately to account for overspray and wind direction. In this example, we are repairing chips on the edge of a paving slab. Once the surface has been prepared, it is time to activate the Klean-Bloc top coat. Be sure to follow the instructions on the label carefully and read the safety data and technical data sheets prior to use. To activate the top coat, shake the can vigorously for 2 minutes. Then, remove the cap to uncover the red activation button. The button is used to puncture the can's internal seal and mix the paint with the hardener. Place the cap back on the can. Next, flip the can over and place the red button on the pin in the center. Place the can upside down on a flat and stable surface. Then, with firm pressure, press down on the button. The seal has now been punctured and the paint and hardener are ready to be mixed together. Shake the can vigorously once again for 2 minutes. This is important in order to ensure a thorough blend of the two internal components. Prior to applying the top coat, note the orientation of the spray tip. It can be positioned to spray either a vertical or a horizontal fan. Always be sure to spot test the top coat's color compatibility before applying it to the area to repair. When applying the top coat, maintain a distance of 8 to 10 inches from the concrete surface and slowly sweep across the affected area. Don't apply a heavy coat as it may drip and will remain tacky longer, delaying the application of subsequent coats. Keep in mind, the first coat will likely be splotchy and still show the concrete below it. Allow the first coat to dry completely before applying the second coat. The time will vary based on the surface and ambient temperatures. Follow the same steps as the first coat when applying the second. A third coat may be required depending on the appearance of the repaired area after the second coat has been applied and completely dry. A full cure of the top coat may take up to 24 hours depending on temperature and humidity conditions. Once completely dry, carefully remove the painter's tape. Let's look at how to repair a scratch or gouge on the surface of a Klean-Bloc product. Once again, the area must be clean and dry. Next, we will mask off the area, apply the first coat, again maintaining a distance of 8 to 10 inches from the concrete surface with a slow and deliberate sweep. Once dry, apply the second coat and then a third coat as needed. The full cure of the Klean-Bloc top coat may take up to 24 hours. Once fully cured, carefully remove the painter's tape. If the repair is still too visible, you may opt for a light coat over the repair and adjacent area to blend the two finishes. For additional information or support with the Klean-Bloc Top Coat Repair Kit, please reach out to Techo-Bloc's client support team or your local representative.